How to see upcoming birthdays on Snapchat. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your upcoming birthdays of your friends on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app. Here, make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap onto the chat icon on your bottom left. Here, it will show you a list of all your friends. In case your friends have any upcoming birthdays, you will be able to see that cake emoji icon just beside their name. Now, in case you don't see it, just tap onto the search icon and search your friend. If your friends have updated their date of birth in Snapchat, just like mine, you will be able to see the balloon icon where you can see the date has been mentioned. And on that same date, you will be able to see a cake icon just beside your friend's name. So if you want to get updated with your friend's birth date, all you have to do is search for their profile and take note of the date they have set on their Snapchat profile. Also be noted that if they have not updated their date of birth in Snapchat, you won't be able to see a balloon icon on their profile, and that is how it works. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.